Hello everyone, welcome to Flamboyant Flavors. I am Reena and today I'll be showing you one of the most popular Indo-Chinese starter, Vegetable Manchurian, that can be served as a perfect appetizer when you have friends and family over for dinner. On that note, quickly subscribe to my channel for future videos and don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this recipe video. Let's start preparing Manchurian. So first, to make red chili sauce for vegetable Manchurian, soak 6 dry red chilies in half cup of warm water for at least 30 minutes. And let's start preparing vegetables. I'm taking about half cabbage head. I'm going to finely chop it. Let me show you how finely you need to cut cabbage. You can absolutely use chopper for this. Cut cabbage finely as possible. Alright, I have 5 cups of finely chopped cabbage. With that, add 1 cup of grated carrots, half cup of chopped green onion, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1.5 teaspoon of grated ginger, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of salt, which you can adjust it as per your taste. I'm going to make vegetable balls out of this, and to bind these vegetables, I'll need all-purpose flour and cornstarch, but I'm going to add it in batches. I'll need 7 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. I would recommend to add flour and cornstarch in batches because when you add salt in vegetables, it releases water, especially from cabbage. Mix everything really well. You will need to be able to make a round shaped ball out of this veggie mixture. Just like this. Now lightly coat plate with oil where you're gonna place all these vegetable balls. Hey, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell for new videos I post every week. And don't forget to hit that like button. Make a medium-sized round-shaped veggie balls. You don't have to be perfect on this. The reason to add all-purpose flour is to combine the vegetables and cornstarch will help make this crispy. Alright, so I was able to make about 30 to 32 vegetable balls and I'm gonna fry these. So let's put the oil on medium flame to heat up for frying. While I'm waiting for oil to heat up, let me prepare the red chili sauce. So don't forget to soak dry red chilies for this sauce. Into the blender, add soaked dry red chilies, 4 cloves of garlic, half tomato, half teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of tomato ketchup. I'm gonna blend everything together. The red chili sauce is ready. And I'm going to take it out in a bowl. In this sauce, you won't need to add cornstarch and sugar because we already added tomato ketchup. And tomato ketchup do have sugar and cornstarch both. Now that the oil is hot enough to fry the vegetable balls, add them into the oil one at a time. You can use a spoon if you're not comfortable. Be sure that the oil is hot enough to fry these veggie balls, otherwise it'll soak more oil and won't get cooked properly. Also, if the veggie balls are not binded properly, then it will break in the hot oil. Lightly turn them after 3 minutes. Fry for about 6 to 7 minutes in total, or until it gets golden brown. Another sign is that these veggie balls will start to float in hot oil. That means they are done. And they look good golden brown color. I'm gonna fry the rest of them. And you guys, please be sure to subscribe for new videos I post every week and do hit that like button down below. Let me show you guys how these veggie balls looks from inside. You can see how soft they are. I could not control myself and ended up eating a couple of them while I was frying. They are that good without the sauce. Now that we have red chili sauce and veggie balls ready, it's time to stir fry them. And for that, take a wok or a non-stick pot, put the flame on medium, add 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, and add the red chili sauce that we prepared. Also add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, and mix everything. Add 1/4 cup of water and 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. Mix it well and cook for about 2 minutes. If you need, you can add just a pinch of salt. The sauce has started to thicken. At this point, add some chopped green onions and veggie balls. Coat them with the sauce and add another 1/4 cup of water and let it cook for just 1 minute. Don't you worry, the water is gonna get absorbed. Turn off the flame and vegetable manchurian is ready. It is a process, but trust me, the end result of making this vegetable manchurian is worth all the effort you put in. As I said earlier, it is one of the most popular Indo-Chinese starter, and most of the Indian restaurants also serve vegetable manchurian or gobi manchurian, which is also known as cauliflower manchurian. I hope you enjoyed this recipe video and do give this a try. I'll tell you it's worth it. You can follow Flamboyant Flavors on Instagram and do hit that like button down below. Please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out any new videos I post every week. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.